Hey team, welcome back. In this video, we are going to be looking at the if statement and using the or condition. You can see on the top here, I've created a truth table for the or, and E1 represents expression 1. E2 represents expression 2. So as we're looking at an if statement, we will put in its values here, go find what we're going to do on the or condition, and write that value here, and that will tell us which one of these we're going to execute. So here you can see I have declared V1 as 10 and V2 as 20. So I come here to my first expression. Is V1 10? That's true. Is V2 20? Yes, that's true. So true and true is true. So we know that this is the truth zone. This is the false zone. So it tells us to execute the true zone. Very good. You'll need to practice this a few times, and then it'll be as easy as that. The second example, I have a 10 and a 20. Do you equal 10? Yes, true. Do you equal 20? No, that is false. So I come up here and I look for a true and a false. True and a false. And it evaluates to true. So true, false, evaluates to true. So that will enter this zone. Let's see if that's true. That is true condition. And the third one. The third one is a little bit more complicated. Well, will become when I do all that typing. It's like, is V1 10? Yes. Is V2 28? No. False. And notice that I say true and false is true. Well, here is the real trick with the or statement. Notice every time this is true, at least one of these is true. Or in the first case, both of them were true. But at least one of them. So I can come over here and say, or V2 equals 20. I can put any value I want. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V. 4, 4, 44, 444. Okay, so this is true. V10 is 10. V1 is 10. It really doesn't matter about the rest of these because the rule with the or is only one of them, at least one of these have to be true for the expression to be true. So all of these other ones are false, and because this is true, this is going to evaluate to true. True condition. And notice here we have a V1 at 10, a V2 at 20. I'm saying, is V1 30? False. Is V2 30? That's false. So a false and a false is false. So that will enter this area. And there you have it, team. That is the if statement using the or condition, and I've taught you the truth table. Remember, it only takes one of the expressions to be true in an if statement if you're using or for the entire if statement to be true. We'll see you back in the next video, team. Hey team, thanks a lot for sticking through that long video. I'm sure that you're well on your way to learning more about the if statement.